Passage 4. Start. It seems that in view of the request made in the above letter, election schedule was fixed by the Election Commission of Pakistan as on 27/11/2013 for Sindh province, which was subsequently changed to 7th December 2013 in pursuance of the request so made by the provincial government through CMA 6797/2013 filed before this court through Advocate General, which was sent to the Election Commission of Pakistan for appropriate orders. Contents of the said order reads as under. This application has been filed on behalf of the Government of Sindh through the Learned Advocate General Sindh under Order 33 Rule 6 of the Supreme Court Rules 1980 seeking change of date from 27th November 2013 to 7th December 2013 for holding local bodies election. The Learned Advocate General Sindh emphasized inter alia that one of the reasons for seeking extension is that the process for holding local government elections has commenced with effect from 9/11/2013 and the holidays of Ashura Muharram Haram fall on 14/11/2013 to 15/11/2013. Therefore, it was constrained to postpone the election. Similarly, representatives of the Ahle Tashi community also met the Chief Minister Sindh and expressed serious constraints and requested the government to move application for adjustment of date of local government elections in Sindh. He also added that a large number of other representative groups from different communities have also met the Chief Minister with the same request. He further added that the Government of Sindh is fully committed to honor the orders passed by the court to observe the constitutional obligations. We have pointed out to the Learned Advocate General that the dates for local bodies elections are to be fixed by the Commission in pursuance of the request so made by the provincial government. We are of the considered opinion that the provincial government had a constitutional obligation to hold local bodies election for the purpose of following the citizens of the country to show their participation in the political, administrative, and financial responsibilities and authority through their representatives of the local government. Therefore, by taking into considerations the request so made by the provincial government of Sindh, we refer this application to the Election Commission of Pakistan for considering the application and may accommodate them because in the other provinces like Punjab and Balochistan the elections are scheduled to be held on 7th December 2013. The Learned Advocate General may therefore appear before the ECP during course of the day with the instant CMA and this order for passing appropriate orders by the Election Commission of Pakistan, the CMA is disposed of accordingly. However, in the meanwhile, no request for change of election schedule has been made either by the province of Balochistan or by the Punjab province. As far as the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is concerned, despite of knowing its constitutional obligations, no request has been filed for holding local bodies election. Learned Attorney General for Pakistan stated that as far as the local bodies election in the cantonment areas is concerned, the federal government has requested to the ECP for holding the elections in the cantonments and the ECP has asked the federal government to fulfill certain requirements and the same will be done in the meanwhile. Full stop and close.